Hi there, and thank you for watching this video. If you're someone who's eager to dive into the world of cloud computing, or you've been struggling to land a cloud job, you're not alone. Many job seekers today are facing the same challenges, especially when it comes to cloud technologies like Microsoft Azure. You see, most companies are looking for experienced professionals, but here's the catch: how can you gain experience if no one is willing to give you a chance? Whether you're a fresher, new to cloud technologies, or even an experienced professional struggling with self-confidence due to lack of hands-on experience, these challenges are real. Perhaps you know the theory, you've passed certifications, or you've completed training courses, but when it comes to real-world experience, you feel unsure, or you might be having a hard time explaining your skills in an interview. I completely understand this struggle, and the good news is it doesn't have to be this way anymore. This is where we come in. Today, I'm excited to share something that will solve these challenges for you once and for all. Introducing our Mastering Enterprise Cloud program that will transform your cloud career and provide the real-world experience you need to build your confidence and skills. In this program, you won't just be learning from theory or taking online quizzes. You'll be getting hands-on, live experience working with actual cloud infrastructure, just like you would in a full-time cloud engineer role. You'll learn to deploy resources manually and automate infrastructure using powerful tools like Azure DevOps, Terraform, and ARM templates. And most importantly, you'll get to work on real-world problems. Imagine this: you're not just sitting in a classroom or watching videos. You'll be troubleshooting live cloud issues, writing up root cause analysis, RCA documents, and participating in daily knowledge sharing sessions, just like you would in an actual job. You'll be part of a team that works together, communicates through tools like Microsoft Teams and email, and handles the day-to-day tasks that are expected in cloud roles today. This is real experience, not just training. Now, you might be wondering, how can this help me get a job? The answer is simple. When you are ready to explain your skills in an interview, you'll be speaking from experience. You won't just say, "I've worked with Azure." You'll be able to say, "I've deployed resources on Azure, automated infrastructure with Terraform, solved live issues in the cloud, and supported a team just like a full-time cloud engineer." This is the kind of confidence employers are looking for, and with this program, that's exactly what you'll have. You won't be doing this alone. You'll have access to mentors, real industry professionals, not just corporate trainers. These mentors will guide you through challenges, provide personalized feedback, and help you develop the skills you need to succeed. You'll even have one-on-one sessions where you can get answers to your specific questions and career advice. And we're here to support you in every way possible: mock interviews that simulate real job interviews, resume preparation to make sure your resume gets noticed, free Azure subscriptions so you can practice and improve your skills anytime you want. By the time you complete this program, you'll not only have hands-on experience, but you'll be ready to tackle any interview with confidence, knowing you've worked in a real cloud environment. So, when does this program start? This program is going to start on January 3rd, 2025, and our sessions run Monday to Friday from 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. IST. That's just 1 hour a day to take your career to the next level. Feeling stuck because you don't have the experience most jobs ask for? You're not alone. But the good news is you don't have to wait anymore to get that experience. Join our Mastering Enterprise Cloud program, where you'll get real hands-on experience with cloud technology, just like you'll use on the job. This isn't just about theory. You'll actually work on cloud projects, solve problems, and gain the skills that employers are looking for. When you finish, you'll be able to walk into interviews and say, "I've worked on real cloud projects, I've solved real problems, I'm ready to work." And that's exactly what employers want to hear. If you're ready to take the next step and finally close the experience gap, reach out to us today by email or WhatsApp. We're here to help you succeed. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the program.